Y'all alone know some me think tough. What you mean by feel like him tough? But him and lad that thought they want fix up. People will kill.
Broke loose right now, people. Jano Star. The heights that disrespect panda track, yeah. You understand? Hey, Chronic Laugh, step back in a war, you know me. I'ma make some speech like say one song him go do, you know, but Jaja knows. That tune is bad. It deserve a response, me not tell. No lie. You see me? And we get in the full analysis of this song, this very disrespectful song, people. May I tell you. But before that, people, I want to subscribe to the channel. You understand? Press that bell notification icon for further updates. Like the video, share the video. You know the shapes. So far, you know. That one I name Glock Chip, my people. I'm here to tell you if I'm right out of the black second know say a bad man song this. You understand? It no matter which side they stem from. Whether a Gully or Gaza or Vendetta or wherever, MVP, anybody. You understand? From your ear that song you know it's one bad piece of song. You see me? So me not gonna be biased for no review. You see me, people? When me hear bad song, me have to give props. Jano Star, me never know say Jamil this bad. Me not gonna tell no lie, people. Me not gonna tell no lie. You understand? Because I recently said Jamil is going to lose this clash. You understand? And I still do believe, say, yo, Kanikla have the edge. You understand? But definitely, people, me I tell you, say, yo, Jamil bringing A game. You see me? The man now back down from the war. The man step up to Kanikla. You understand? As a matter of fact, to the man more than step up, you know, the man go one better with that one, yeah. Cheap black people. The baddest gun song for 2020. You understand? And that's the thing there. You see me? I not be biased in a review. I not gonna tell you like Kanikla my artist. You see me? I know say Kanikla can deliver a bad song for in reply to this song. But definitely you can't leave that one unanswered. The man get this on so many levels. You understand? From the Humpty Dumpty this to the very, very disrespectful this, but Movada go F the man mother and all them kind of something there. You see me? But I not really that catch my ears in that song, you know, people. You see me? How Kanikla go say him know about the man RAPE case. People, we have to filter the thing to a certain degree. You know what thing go? Make Jano Star, the man start dig up dirt pan la boss. You see me? Disrespectful in so many ways and so many levels, people. May I tell you, say that song here remind me of when Drake did a clash Pusha T. You see me? Everybody expects say yo Drake being the popular artist and you know say the man bad. You see me? Lyrical. But we don't know say Pusha T was the veteran and you know underground artist and all them kind of something there until Drake go say something. We know if he say until Pusha T rub him out dopey freestyle. You see me? A something like that me see I go on right now. It a unfold like that. You see me? We not count out Kanikla no way, you know. You see me? Because the clash had just start. Even though the law boss say him not really up to it. You understand? But me no feel like law boss make that one a slide. You see me? Because too many things were said in this song. You see me? If you just leave it unanswered. You see me? The man gone back in a Kanikla pass. I dig up dirt pan Kanikla. I talk about RAPE case. You see me? You know that family thing the law boss coming with the name song? Jano people. No sir, the man do him research. Style the boss. Come out with a bad song and take the lead in the clash. Definitely. The man say people, Akeem Campbell is going to be my next example. When we say a clash it go down between Tommy Lee and Jamil. And most people would have say a Jamil take the clash there. You see me? So the man say law boss is going to be for him next example. Which means say, him plan to make a dopey out of law boss. And no joke something, you know, people. A serious something, you know. That song is disrespectful upon a level, you know, people. You understand? On so many levels, you know, people. The man say, law boss have to wait for squash to make a move. Jano Star. That means the law boss now have no talk for himself. Him can't move off of his own free will. He have to wait for boss to tell him what to do until he can do it. Jai knows people. The levels of disrespect for the song. I cannot stress it enough. Law boss, Jano brother, you need to answer that. You see me? Because the man step up, you know. More than step up. The man go one better. You see me? Yeah, Relevant was a good song. Definitely. We don't give Relevant the props where it deserve. In the last vlog. But that song, yeah, better. It has to be said. You see me? You don't know what my thing there, no, Gaza, me say no. But me not gonna be biased to that one of people, you see me? That song here is a direct disrespect. Straight and forward disrespect people. And Labas have to step up to the plate differently. You see me? Approach that one differently because we can see say a setup thing. You see me? Why all of this time you come out hiding them and just attack Labas? So? Me know say you not just attack a man so if you not have something prepared. You see me? No, that was the plan. Do some song. You see me write up some bad song. You have all of them time, how much months pass and all them kind of something. If you write up a bag of song, put them down and drop a this. Drop a bad one first, then drop a next better one after. You see me? Yeah. No Labas no have no time. He have to retaliate same time.
Humpty Dumpty scramble, try to run them lace, get tangled, head get bust him, girl get strangled.
Hey people, me have to laugh in the star. A clear planting this, you know. Jamil have some songs written down from a long time, you know, and just a wait on the right opportune moment to attack Labas, you know. You see me? No, Labas have to retaliate. You see me? He has to respond. Given now that he doesn't have ample time that Jamil did. You see me? The man have to write song within like a day. You see me? Jano Star. It's definitely a clear disadvantage, but we know say Labas has the talent to pull it off. You see me? Labas can do it because we know it's a bad artist. And we not give up on the artist. Through a one man put out a bad song off of him. You see me? Yeah. And that's the thing there, people. I want to know, share your thoughts below. You see me? Who you think is leading this clash so far and who you think I go win? Yeah. And that's it there, people. You know it go, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press that bell notification icon for further updates. Like the video, share the video. You know the ships. I'm out.